This is the best way that you can include vegetables to your daily meals, and trust me, the veggies won't be boring because they have lots of seasoning and flavor. So today we are going to be making some vegetable stir fry with smokies, and I'm going to be serving mine as a main dish. You can serve yours as a side dish and it's going to be so good. Vegetables are a great source of vitamins and minerals and have so many nutrients that our body needs. They also have antioxidants that help us fight diseases in our body. Have lots of fiber. That means that our digestive system is going to be perfect, and they're filling and very delicious once cooked perfectly. For this recipe, you need 2 cups of vegetable mix, and I have already prepped up mine over here, which consists of cauliflower, broccoli, purple cabbage, carrots, zucchini, and snow peas. You can choose to add in any vegetable that you have in the fridge or any vegetable that you like. So I'm going to get straight into cooking by picking up my smokies that I'm going to be using for this recipe. You can also use sausages, any type of sausage that you have in the house. So I'm going to chop into a very pretty shape and into bite-sized pieces. Once done, I'm going to place a pan over medium flame and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Transfer in my smokies. Then I'm going to cook my smokies for around a minute until they have a nice golden brown color on both sides. Sharing the smokies is going to add in a very nice color and also flavor to the smokies. When the smokies are ready, you're going to add in 1 onion. Saute for a minute until soft. Add in garlic. Cook your garlic for 30 more seconds so that it can get that awesome color and also get super flavorful. If you don't cook with garlic, you're missing a lot of flavor to your food. So once the onions and garlic are ready, I'm going to reduce the flames to medium-low. Stir in with the smokies. Then I'm going to add in my veggies. Toss the vegetables together with the sausages. Add in the seasoning. So that is black pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of cayenne, sugar, a chicken stock cube because I'm using chicken sausages. Add in a splash of water. Toss the veggies together with the smokies, and because we're using low flame, the vegetables are going to slowly soften up and absorb in the flavor. Over here, I have a teaspoon of cornstarch that I'm going to be adding to my delicious veggies. So I'm going to add in some light soy sauce, about a tablespoon. Add in a splash of water. And then I'm going to stir in the cornstarch until it's dissolved. If you can't get hold of cornstarch, you can add in a teaspoon of all-purpose flour, and it's going to act as a thickener to your veggies also. I love using cornstarch because it gives the veggies a very nice glossy color and also makes the veggies look so delicious. You're going to cook your vegetables for around 1 to 2 minutes while you toss so that all the veggies can soak in all that nice flavor. Now, I'm going to add in a tiny pinch of salt. Add in my cornstarch slurry. And using my spatula, I'm going to stir in everything. Add in a splash of water, around a tablespoon. And immediately the cornstarch slurry hits the pan, it's going to thicken up and coat the delicious veggies and smokies. So you're going to cook for an extra 1 minute. And at this point, you're going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in some more salt. So good. The veggies have softened up and they have a very nice glossy look to them. Just look at that. So I'm ready to serve my delicious vegetable stir fry. My stir fry has turned out amazing, and I love how vibrant the vegetables are looking. They're crunchy because they're not overcooked. They've soaked in all the nice flavors and they're looking so good. The smokies have a nice golden brown color still, and they have also soaked in all the goodness. So this is a perfect side dish that you can serve over rice, spaghetti, or even some mashed potatoes, and it's going to be amazing. You can also serve the stir fry as a main dish or even meal prep, and it's going to be totally worth it. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try and you won't be disappointed.